Hello scholars, today I am going to start chapter number 3, that is multiplication, division and their applications. See, looking back, what is multiplication? The numbers that are multiplied are called the factors and the answer is called the product. See the example in this side, 7 multiplied by 9. These are the factors and answer is 63, that is product. In this one we can arrange like 5 by 3. So 5 rows and 3 columns, or we can arrange 3 rows 5 column. Clear? Next we will see division. In this one the terms to be remembered in division are dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. In this one, when we check our answer, these all the things are required for checking. See the example. 16 divided by 3. See, 3 is divisor, 16 is dividend, 5 is quotient and the remaining part is known as remainder. Got it? Let's start our exercise. Exercise 3A. Multiply. Show the strategy you are using. Question number A. 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 50. So we can solve by easy method. Here always we have to make 100, 1000 like this. So we choose that number, we will get 100. So 50 into 2 is 100, multiplied by 7 is 700. Same here, 25 multiplied by 4, we get 100, multiplied by 7 is 700. See, two more questions. 5 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 20. So 5 multiplied by 20 we get 100. So like this we can write together. Then 8 into 100 is 800. Next 4 into 6 into 50. So here we can break down this number or simply we can multiply it. 50 into 6 is 300 and 3 4s are 12. It means 1200. This number you can break down 3 into 2, 6. So it is easy to multiply 50 into 2, 100. Clear? Next, solve mentally. It means we have to use the logic here, because whatever number is given, the same answer we will get in that box. But how? See, 7 multiplied by 40 is 280. So what they have done in this 40, they break down like 2 and 20. So 2 and 20 is 40. 7 2s are 14 into 20 is 280. Same here, 9 into 80 equals to 720. So what they have done here, in 80 they have break down in 2 and 40. So this 9 2s are 18 and into 40 is 720. Test question, do it yourself. Next topic, that is multiplying with bigger number. Clear? In this one we will multiply by 2-digit number and 3-digit number. See, 4375 multiplied by 47. 47 means 2-digit number. So first we will multiply by ones, then whatever answer will come, then multiply by tens. Tens means into 40 you will do. See, 4 3 7 5 multiply by 40. So after solving these two, then you have to add. So answer will come 205,625. Clear? Next is multiplying by a 3-digit number. So in this one, 427 is 3-digit number. So what we will do first? First we will multiply by ones place. So ones place is 7. Clear? Then we will multiply by tens place, that is 20. Then we will multiply by 100, that is 400. After multiplying these all three, then we will do addition. So our answer will come 2965515. Clear? See, exercise 3b. In this one, we have to do multiply. Multiply by 2-digit and 3-digit. So, see, some question I have solved here. 5986 multiply by 42. So, step by step, first multiply by ones digit, then multiply by tens digit, it means 40. So after this, by adding these two, you will get your answer. Same this question, first multiply by ones place, that is 9. Second multiply by 20. Then third we will do addition of 9 and multiply by 20. Clear? Next, these are the questions of 3-digit numbers. So here we have not done like step 1, step 2, step 3. It is same, but in this one directly we have solved this question. So this first multiply by 2, this answer, then multiply by 70, this answer, then multiply by 300, so we get this answer. After adding this all, we get 362774. So rest question just go through once, and the remaining questions do it yourself in your notebook. Next, number 2, calculate only till you see the pattern. It means we have to identify the pattern and then we have to find the fill in the blanks. So first what we have done here, we have multiplied 131 into 11. So answer 1441. Then we have multiplied by 131 into 111. So answer we get 14541. It means in this one 1441 is common. Clear? So now when we are having 3 1, so in between 5, when we are having 4 1, it means in between 2 5. Now the next will come 3 5 like this. Next question, 1 multiplied by 9 plus 2. So according to Bodmar's rule, first we will do multiply and then we will do add. So 1 into 9 is 9 and plus 2 is 11. Then 12 into 9 is 108 plus 3, that is 111. Same thing, 123 into 9. So plus 4 we get 1111. So rest see the pattern and do it. Next, 101 multiply by 33. It means the answer we get, that is 3333. Okay, next is 101 multiplied by 333. So in this one, 33 and 33 is common, this side and this side. 6 is in between. Next number, see here, next number we are having 4 3. It means between we get 2 6. Next we are having 5 3. It means we get 3 6 in between. Same this question, only the in this one we have to multiply by the 33 333, and in this one we multiply by 22 222, then 2222, and so on. Clear? Next topic, that is division. In this division, I told when we start this chapter, in this one 4 things are there. First one is dividend, then divisor, then quotient, and the remainder. So according to that we can solve this division. So here two methods are there. Any one method we can use for division. Clear? Exercise 3C. Divide and check your answer. See the first one, that is 12,686 divided by 51. Clear? So in this one, do one thing. First we can write in one side 51 table, or you can multiply by according to your number. Clear? So if we write the 51 table, it is easy to solve because later we will not multiply by any other number. So here 51 multiplied by 2, we get 102. So the remaining is 24. Then we take 8. So our new number is 248. Then 51 multiplied by 4, we get 204. So again we will do minus. So we get 44, and the 6 we will write as down. So now our new number is 446. See, 51 multiplied by 8, we get 408. So here the remaining we get 38. So now according to question we have to check our answer also. So check dividend. See, dividend equals to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. So what is quotient here? See, quotient means this 51 multiplied by this quotient, we get the remainder. So remainder means the left part is remainder. So 248 multiplied by 51, we get 12,648 plus 38. So we get 12,686. See one more question this side. 49,872 divided by 68. The same thing, you can write table of 68 one side. Then you can solve. It is easy to solve. 68 into 7 is 476. Remainder is 22. Now take this 7. So new number is 227. Now 68 multiplied by 3, that is 204. Clear? So here we will do again minus. So we get 23. Now write this 2. So the new number is 232. So again it is less than that number. So we can write here 3 times. So that is 204. So the remainder we get it, that is 28. So now we can check our answer. Dividend equals to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. So quotient is 733, divisor is 68, remainder is 28. So when we multiply by 733 and 68, we get 49,844, and we will do remainder. So we get answer 49,872. Let's see recap. In this one, we have learned multiplication, multiplication with bigger numbers, multiplying by a 2-digit number, multiplying by a 3-digit number, multiplying with zeros, and the last is division. Now for worksheet, you can refer a link given in the description box. Goodbye.